In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a subdomain in Bluehost. A subdomain is a custom extension of your main website address, like blog.yourdomain.com or support.yourdomain.com. It's perfect for separating sections of your site, running a landing page, or testing new features without affecting your main site. Before we start, make sure your primary domain is already connected to your Bluehost account and that you're signed in so you can access your hosting tools. Start by heading to your account dashboard. From there, look for the hosting area. This is where Bluehost groups all the tools related to your websites and servers. Click into hosting to open your plan's controls. If you manage more than one plan, select the one tied to the domain you want to use for the subdomain so you're working in the right place. Next, open cPanel. cPanel is the control panel Bluehost provides, and it's where domain and file settings live. The interface can look slightly different depending on the theme, but the option is clearly labeled. Once cPanel loads, you'll see a series of sections. Find and click on Domains. This section manages parked domains, subdomains, and redirects, so everything you need will be right there. Inside Domains, choose Create a New Domain. Don't worry about the wording. This is also where you add subdomains. You are not purchasing anything new, you're just creating a new host name under your existing domain. In the New Domain field, type the full subdomain you want, for example, blogyourdomain.com. Keep it short, descriptive, and lowercase, and avoid spaces or special characters. If you have multiple primary domains on the account, double check that you're attaching the subdomain to the correct one. Bluehost will automatically suggest a document root folder, usually something like public.yml blog. You can accept the default for simplicity or change it if you want your subdomain's files stored in a different directory. Keeping it separate is helpful for organization and security. When everything looks correct, click Submit. Bluehost will create the subdomain entry and set up the folder on your server. This typically completes in seconds. If the domain's DNS is managed elsewhere, you may need to allow some time for DNS to recognize the new subdomain, and SSL certificates may take a short while to provision. Once it's created, you'll see the subdomain listed in your domains section. From here, you can upload site files to its folder or connect it to an app like a CMS. That's it. You've successfully created a subdomain in Bluehost.